Hello.
Jambo.
Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili, all nighttime Swahili in 10 minutes. In this episode and the next couple of episodes, we are going to be spying on a couple of things in the kitchen. What is kitchen called? Jikoni. What is kitchen? Jikoni. Alright, fresh bro. Which one wants to read for us the Swahili sentence over here?
Not 12.
Which one of us wants to read for us the Swahili sentence? Okay, let's go. Let's go. The next person is going to read the first one over here. Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
He's going to do the first thing. Hapa ni jikoni ambapo tunapika chakula kizuri. This is the kitchen where we cook great meals.
Alright, so hapa ni jikoni ambapo tunapika chakula kizuri. This is the kitchen where we cook great meals. Alright, Mr.
Vifaa vya jikoni.
And what does that mean?
The kitchen
Unacheka nini? Alright, one more time. What is it?
Vifaa vya jikoni.
What is vifaa vya jikoni? Huh? Stay in the video for me. The kitchen appliances are called vifaa vya jikoni. Alright, so we are going to go around and show you vifaa vya jikoni, which is the kitchen appliances. Alright, fresh bro. What are you, Saba?
No.
Nane? Okay, gojea. Nane, tafadhali show me or spy on a friji au jokofu.
Sawa.
Hiyo ni nini? Au? Alright, beautiful. Alright, fresh bro. 11, tafadhali show me jiko tafadhali. Jiko ni nini?
So,
uko wapi? Oh, jiko ni nini?
Right here.
Hiyo ni nini?
Wait, does this count?
Hiyo ni nini?
That's a whole different thing. No, that's Tanuri Milane.
Very good.
Okay. He's using translator.
Kutoka wapi? Alright, go ahead. So what is that? What is a jiko?
It's the stove.
Stove. Beautiful. Good job, fresh bro. Nane, tafadhali show me kopo ya takataka. Very nice. Fresh bro 11. 11. Show me tanuri la miale.
My buddy, I put everything in it.
What is that?
Pizza, full cereal, everything.
That's called what?
Tanuri. No.
What is it called?
I'm gonna do that. But Tanuri la miale.
Tanuri la miale. Beautiful. Fresh bro 8, tafadhali show me sinki. Sinki is what? Sink. Beautiful. Tafadhali fresh bro 11, show me counter. There's
so many. Use this one.
Counter. Very nice. Fresh bro 8, show me mashine ya kuosha vyombo. Very nice. Good job. Fresh bro 9. Who's next?
Me.
Fresh bro 11, show me gala.
Excuse me.
Gala is storage.
So
you can do that one. Yeah. Gala is storage.
Lazy.
All right. Awesome. Beautiful.
Spit on my drink.
Very nice. All right, Funga. So that's that for the kitchen appliances. Now let's review them. So we are going to pause and turn this around. Good, yeah. All right. We are back. So now we are just going to quickly review what we've learned. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Fresh kids at home, are you ready?
Yeah.
I hope so. All right, fresh bros. What is a friji au jokofu?
Fridge.
All right.
Fridge.
What is a jiko? Stove. What is kopo ya takataka?
Trash.
All right. What is tanuri la miale. What is that?
The microwave.
What is sinki? What is mashine ya kuosha vyombo? Very nice. What is counter? And what is gala? All right, beautiful. That wraps up our episode of Fun Swahili for the kitchen appliances, and we're just gonna stop and do another recording for the next kitchen stuff. See you in the next episode.